Imagine this. It's late at night, and you're staring at your phone, scrolling through your bank account, feeling that familiar knot in your stomach. The bills are piling up, and no matter how hard you work, it feels like you're barely keeping your head above water. Maybe you're a parent, lying awake, worrying about how to give your kids the life they deserve while debt keeps pulling you under. Or you're a young person, just starting to invest, excited but overwhelmed by all the noise about stocks, crypto, and side hustles. Perhaps you're a doctor, lawyer, or dentist, working long hours, yet your income feels capped by the hours in a day. Or you're an entrepreneur, pouring your heart into your business, but the cash flow roller coaster never seems to stop. What if I told you the wealthy don't just work harder, they work smarter? They use tools like artificial intelligence to automate their income, creating systems that make money while they sleep, travel, or spend time with their family. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to walk you through a 5-year plan to automate your income using it so you can break free from financial stress and build the life you've always dreamed of. This isn't about tech jargon or get-rich-quick schemes, it's about real, practical steps that anyone can take, no matter where you're starting from. Stick with me, because this could be the moment your financial future changes forever. Let's start with a hard truth. If you're a parent in debt, you're not alone. Over 80% of families are carrying some kind of debt: credit cards, student loans, mortgages, and it's not because you're bad with money. The system is designed to keep you trapped, working harder just to stay in place. Young investors, you're bombarded with TikTok gurus promising millions from crypto or day trading. But it's confusing, and the fear of losing your savings is real. Professionals, you re-trading time for money. Every hour you re-not working is an hour you re-not earning, and that's exhausting. Entrepreneurs, you're juggling a million things, but inconsistent income makes it hard to plan for growth or even enjoy the business you've built. The wealthy, they've figured out the secret. They don't trade time for money. They build systems that work for them, day and night. And right now, one of the most powerful tools they're using is it. Think of AI as your personal assistant that never sleeps, helping you create income streams that grow over time, like planting a seed that turns into a money tree. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. Take Maria, a single mom who was drowning in $50,000 of debt. She started using AI tools to create a side hustle selling custom workout plans online. She didn't know how to design or code, but AI helped her generate professional templates and automate her marketing. In 2 years, she was earning $4,000 a month passively, enough to wipe out her debt and start saving for her son's future. Or consider Alex, a young entrepreneur who used AI to analyze customer trends for his small e-commerce business. By automating his inventory and pricing, he doubled his profits in 18 months without working extra hours. This isn't science fiction. AI is already changing lives, and it's within your reach. So, what makes AI so powerful? It's all about automation. The wealthy don't rely on manual labor. For every dollar, they build systems that scale. Picture a vending machine. You stock it once, and it keeps selling snacks whether you're there or not. AI is like a digital vending machine for income. It can analyze data, create content, manage investments, or run your business operations, while you focus on what matters most: your family, your dreams, your life. As the billionaire investor Charlie Munger once said, the first rule of compounding is to never interrupt it unnecessarily. AI lets you compound your efforts without burning out. It's not about replacing you, it's about amplifying you. Whether you're a parent, a young investor, a professional, or an entrepreneur, AI can help you create income streams that work around the clock. Let's break down a 5-year plan to make this happen, step by step, so you can start where you are and build toward financial freedom. Year 1 is all about laying the foundation. If you're in debt, start by using AI-powered budgeting tools like Pocket or Monarch Money. These apps use machine learning to track your spending, find savings, and even negotiate bills for you. One user found an extra $200 a month just by canceling forgotten subscriptions. Imagine what that could do for your family. Young investors, dip your toes into AI-driven investment platforms like Betterment or Acorns. You don't need thousands to start, just $50 a month, and AI will optimize your portfolio, diversifying across stocks and bonds to minimize risk. Professionals use AI to save time. Tools like Notion AI can automate your scheduling, organize client notes, or even draft emails, freeing up hours in your week. Entrepreneurs, try AI tools like HubSpot's free CRM to automate customer follow-ups and track leads. Spend 1 hour a week learning about AI. YouTube has free tutorials on everything from ChatGPT to AI trading bots. Think of this year as planting the roots of your money tree. It's not glamorous, but it's where the magic begins. Years 2 and 3 are about building your first income stream. Parents, consider a side hustle that leverages AI to do the heavy lifting. For example, use tools like Canva's AI design features or Copy AI to create digital products, ebooks, planners, or printable budget templates. You can sell these on platforms like Etsy or Teachable, and AI-driven ads on Instagram or Pinterest can market them for you. Maria, the single mom I mentioned, started with $100 in ad spend and turned it into $1,000 a month in sales within 6 months. Young investors, explore AI-powered trading platforms like Traderacer or Composer, which use algorithms to guide your stock or crypto trades. You don't need to be a finance expert. AI does the analysis for you. Professionals, scale your expertise with AI. Start a blog or YouTube channel where tools like Descript can edit your videos or write SEO-friendly articles in minutes. Entrepreneurs, automate repetitive tasks with tools like Zapier, which connects your apps to handle things like invoicing or email marketing without manual work. By the end of year 3, aim for $500 to $1,500 a month in passive income. It's not life-changing yet, but it's proof that you're on the right path. Years 4 and 5 are where you scale and diversify. Parents, take that side hustle and turn it into a full-fledged business. Use AI analytics tools